Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can view private account photos on Instagram. So if you are trying to view someone's profile account but they have a private account, here is the video. This video is for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys, like I said, step by step on how you can view account photos on Instagram. But before we start, please drop a like on this video. I did a lot of research about this video. Now leave a like on this video and let's get started right now. First, I just want to let you know that don't ever try to use any third-party apps or any website you see on Google, because all these websites all they care about is your time and view, because they want to make money off of you. That's why they have a lot of that's why you see a lot of websites on Google. Whenever you search for view private Instagram without follow, you will see a bunch of websites that are trying to view that are trying to get your attention so that you can click on the website so that they can make money off of you. That's why guys you see a lot of websites here. Now this is not what I am going to show you guys. I'm going to show you a legit way on how to view a private account photos on Instagram easily, and this is the best way, guys. There is no better way than this, and don't even waste your time. If this video doesn't work for you, then don't even try to waste your time, because all other things will not work for you, because this is the only solution, guys, to view or to see private account photos on Instagram. Other than that, there is nothing you can do. So the first thing, guys, you need to do is to open your Instagram account, as you can see. Now after you open your Instagram account, as you can see, let me just let me choose a private account so that I can show you how all this works. Okay, let me choose a private account and I'm going to show you how you can view their photos even if they have private account. Okay, this one has a public account. Okay, this one, as you can see, has a private account. This account is private. Now let's say that you want to view photos on this private. You want to view photos on this private account. Now you want to click on your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then you want to click on trace lines in the top right, and then you want to click settings in the top. After that, guys, you want to click on add account at the very bottom. It says here add account. Click on it. Now this will make sense in a few seconds. Just follow these steps. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. This will work for you. Just follow the steps. Now after, guys, you click on add account, you want to click on create a new account. After you click on create account, you want to enter here the username. It could be any username you come up with. Click next. Click next, and after that you want to type here any password. Just make sure to remember it. Next. Now you want to click on complete sign up. After, guys, you click on complete sign up, you will have to wait a few seconds, as you can see, like 6 seconds or 7 seconds. All right, now you want to click escape. At the very bottom it says escape. Again, escape, and then you want to select public. Click next, escape. Now next in the top. Now you have another Instagram account. The reason why we created this account, now you can switch between your accounts. Don't worry, you can use 2 accounts on the same app. Okay, just click on username in the top left, and you can click on the account that you want to use. For example, I want to use this account or this account. Just click on the username and you will find all the accounts that you have. Now we are going to use this account to send a follow request to that person. And you are not going to recognize us because they don't know that we have a new account. Like, we are not going to send it using our official or original Instagram account. We are just going to send a follow request using this Instagram account. But before you send that, that's why I told you guys to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make them accept your follow request like easily, faster. Now you want to click on edit profile. Okay, now if you want to send this to a girl, you want to add like a very handsome man, but make sure it's not fake. Like, come up with a picture from somewhere and put it here. Okay, click on the picture and then put it here, and then after that, guys, you want to enter here the bio. Okay, just enter like I live in this university. Like, if the girl lives, for example, in Los Angeles, say also you live in Los Angeles. I am in a university, I am doing this, or I study this, stuff like that. Okay, and then after that, guys, you want to just get some followers. Okay, like do some follow, unfollow, or something. Like, get like 2 followers or 3 followers, and then go and search for the person that you want to view their private photos. And then after that, guys, you want to just send a follow request, and you will accept you guys. Just add the very handsome man if you are sending this to a girl, or if you are sending this to a man, add the very handsome girl or something like that. So that's exactly, guys, how you can